concept. Okay, what is that? Can you find out? Everyone look at this puzzles. Everyone look at this puzzles. Yes, today I am going to teach you how to dressing ourselves. Okay baby, how to dress up ourselves. Okay, okay baby. See, before that, what day is today? What day is today? See, today is Tuesday. What day is today? Tuesday. Okay, everyone should take your calendar and you have to circle the day. Okay baby? Okay, I hope everyone is doing calendar activity, right? Yes. Let's see how to dress up ourselves. Okay baby? Okay. See, when you wake up from the bed, what do you do? See, first what do you do baby? First we drink a glass of water, right? Yes, we need to drink. See, if you are wake up from the bed, you stand up and you have to drink one glass of water. Then what do you do? Come on. Yes, then you have to brush your teeth. I'm right? Yes. Next, what do you do baby? What do you do? Yes, then you have to take a bath. I'm right? Yes. Who make you bath? Your mummy or daddy make you bath, right? Yes. Then what do you do? Then what do you do? Then you have to wipe up your body with a towel, right? Wipe up your body with towel, right? Yes. Then what do you want to do? Then we have to dress up ourselves. Then we have to dress up ourselves. Okay. Now everyone is 4 years old, right? Yes. We are not a small baby, right? Yes. See, I know. See, in the home, after wipe up your body, mummy and daddy help you to wear up your dress and get ready for the school, right? Yes. But today onwards, I am going to teach you how to dress up ourselves. Okay. After you take a bath, wipe up your body, then you have to dress up yourself. Okay. Should not ask help for your parents. Okay baby, let me teach you how to do what are the steps we should follow for dress up ourselves and to get ready for the school or ready for the outings. Okay baby, let's see. Come on. See, first I am going to teach you for the boy. Okay, the one boy how to dress up. Who's this boy? Look at this boy. This is a 4-year child, right? Yes, he is a 4 years old. Okay, see, after wipe up your body, you should be like this, right? Yes. Then what do you want to do? Then what do you want to do? See, everyone look at these items. What are the items the boys are going to wear? See, what is this? This is a innerwear. Then this is a t-shirt. This is a trouser and this is a shoe, right? These are 4 items only we are used regularly, right? Yes. See, first what do you want to do? First, you have to take a vest. What do you want to take? What is this? This is a vest, right? Yes. First, you want to take a vest. See, look at this picture. You take the vest like this. Okay. See, put your hands in. In this gap, you have to put your hands and you have to wear the vest. Okay, baby? Everyone is clear? First, what do you want to do? After wipe up your body, you take your vest and you have to put your hands inside. Then you have to wear in our body. Okay, baby? Everyone is clear? First, I have to put this boy. What is this I am putting first? I am putting the vest over here. Okay. See, kids. See, first you have to wipe up your body. Then you should be like this, right? Then this boy need to wear the vest, right? Yes, so he taking the vest like this and you have to insert your hands and like this and you have to wear the vest. Okay baby, what is the first step to dress up? You have to wear the vest. Next, what do you want to do? Next, what do you want to do? You should take the drawer. You should take the drawer. Then see, look at this boy. This boy is sitting and wear the drawer. See, look at this. This boy is sitting and he going to wear the drawers. Okay. First what he wear? He wear the vest. Then he wear the drawers. Next, what do you want to do? We put the vest and we put the drawer. Next, what do you want to do? Yes, we need to wear the t-shirt, right? We need to wear the t-shirt, right? Yes. So the boy is taking the t-shirt. See, look at this picture. How the t-shirt should be. This is also you have to insert 2 hands inside and you have to wear up in our body. Okay baby, everyone is clear? See, look at this picture how the boy is taking the t-shirt. This is a way you should also take at your home. Then only we can easily wear the t-shirts. Okay baby? See? Okay. See? See after wipe up the body. Then he wear the vest. Then he take the drawer. See, look at this picture. The boy is sitting and wear. Why? That is only easy to wear the drawers. Okay, we are a small kids, right? We cannot stand and put. Okay, you have to sit and this way and you have to wear your drawers. Then he want to take the t-shirt. T-shirts also he should take like this. You should also follow this one. Okay. Then what do you want to do? What do you want to do? With the shoe we can go to school or we can go to outing? No. Then he want to put shoe. See, the shoe is matched with our t-shirt. T-shirt color and shoes colors are same, right? Yes. Then see how he want to put the shoes. Everyone look at this picture. See, he is sitting in a stool and he wearing the shoes. Why? Again, we are a small boy, right? We cannot stand and we cannot put the shoe properly. So you have to sit one chair and take one shoe and you have to do it like this and you have to wear one more shoes. Okay baby? Okay. Then finally this boy is get ready for the school. This boy is get ready for the school. Okay. Then the boy is saying waving the boy. Everyone is clear baby? Everyone is clear? See, look at this. Today onwards, all the boys should be wear the dress by yourself. Okay, baby? I teach you right how to take the vest and how to take the shoe and how to take the t-shirt, right? I hope everyone is clear, right? See, on the one day we cannot get it, baby. You can try daily. You have to take the vest and you have to try it. Okay, baby? Then after wipe up your body, you should not ask help for your parents. Okay, I hope everyone is clear this how to wear up the dress up, right? Yes, let's see how to wear for the girls. Come on. The same procedures. See, look at this. Look at this. See, after bath, we are wipe up your body. Your body should be like this only, right? Then one more thing, you have to wipe up your body clean. Okay, it should be dry. It should not be wet. Okay, baby. See, what do you want to do? I want to take the again girl's vest. Correct? I want to take again the girl's vest. Correct? See, I am wearing the vest first. Then what do you want to do? Yes, I want to take a skirt. For the boys, we are saying as drawer. For the girls, we are saying as a skirt. What is this, baby? Skirt. So, I need to take skirt, right? Yes, skirt. Then the same procedure. This girl also sitting and wear the skirt. Okay, sitting down and you have to take the skirt. First you have to insert one leg and you have to do the one more leg. This is a way you have to wear the skirt. Okay baby? Then I have to place it. Next what do you want to do? See, I wear the vest and skirt. Yes, I want to take the shirt, right? See, I want to take the skirt. Skirt matching shirt, right? Yes? Yes, I want to take skirt matching shirt. See? Okay. What is this dress? This is called skirt, right? See, same like you have to take the hands. See, you have to put one hands and you have to wear one more hands. Okay, you have to dress up like this. Okay. Then what do you want to do? I want to choose the shoes, right? See, I am the take the blue shoe. Same like the same thing. How you want to wear up the shoe? Again, see, you are sitting in the stool and you have to see before that you have to wear the socks also. Okay. After wearing the socks only you have to wear the shoes. See, first you have to sit in the chair and you have to wear the socks for 2 legs. Then you have to take one shoe and you have to put the one shoe. Then you have to wear the shoes for the next leg. Okay baby? Then this girl is get ready for the school. This girl is get ready for the school. Everyone is clear? I told you for both boys and girls how to dress up. Right, baby? Everyone is clear? Okay. See, today onwards, you have to dress up by yourself. Okay. Should not ask help for your father and mother. Okay, baby?
This is the way we make our bed, make our bed, make our bed. This is the way we make our bed so early in the morning. This is the way we wash our face, wash our face, wash our face. This is the way we wash our face so early in the morning. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. This is the way we put on our clothes, put on our clothes, put on our clothes. This is the way we put on our clothes so early in the morning. This is the way we comb our hair, comb our hair, comb our hair. This is the way we comb our hair so early in the morning.